Good morning, students. Let's start today with revision of those chapters which I have already taught you. So start with chapter 1, integers. So I have some questions, revision questions for you. But before that, just recall what is integers. So the negative numbers along with whole numbers are called integers. You can see in this picture. This is a number line and these are the positive numbers, these are negative numbers along with 0. So integers are negative numbers, positive numbers along with 0. And you can see every right hand side number is bigger than the left hand side. 4 is bigger than 3, 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1. You can see this is right hand side and this is left hand side. 1 is bigger than 0, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, minus 2 is greater than minus 3, minus 3 is greater than minus 4, minus 4 is greater than minus 5 and minus 6. So you can compare the numbers also through this number line. Suppose if I will ask you which is greater, minus 2 or minus 5? Which is greater, minus 2 or minus 5? So minus 2 is greater than minus 5 because every right hand side number is greater than the every left hand side number in a number line. So these are integers. Here are some sign rules also. You can see this sign rule. Plus plus always give plus, plus minus minus, minus plus minus, and minus minus will also be plus. But always remember that minus minus is plus, but we always give the sign of the bigger number whenever we are doing addition or subtraction. Minus plus we will do operation minus, but we will always give the sign of bigger number in addition or subtraction. But in multiplication and division what happens? Simply plus plus we will give the sign of plus. Plus minus minus, minus plus minus, and minus minus plus. Here in multiplication and division need not to see the bigger number sign. It is simply minus minus, we always give the sign of plus. These sign rules are already given in your book. You can revise from your book once again. Okay? And you already know the BODMAS rule. Let us see the first question now. Evaluate 64 plus 121 minus of minus 75. You have to solve this and find out its value. Minus minus sign, you know, it will get plus when the bracket will open and then add it. Similarly this one. Question number 2. Simplify the following. This one. So here you can see there is a bar bracket, common bracket, curly bracket and multiplication and division also. So always apply the BODMAS rule to solve this kind of simplify. First we will solve the bar bracket, then common, then curly and then subtract it from 24. Got it? Now third number, if the product of two integer is minus 1008 and one of the integer is minus 24, find the other integer. What means two integers product is given this one and one of the integer is this. You have to find the other integer. So what we will do in this? We will let the other integer be x and multiply minus 24 with x, which is equal to this, and get the value of x. Question number 4. A certain freezing process requires the room temperature to be lowered from 30 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. Means every hour the room temperature will get reduced 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. And 30 degrees Celsius is the room temperature. From 30 degrees Celsius it will get reduced 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 8 hours after the process begins? Means after 8 hours what will be the room temperature? So you know every hour 5 degrees Celsius means 8 hours how much degrees Celsius temperature will get reduced? 8 into 5 means 40 degrees Celsius, and you will subtract it from this because this is the room temperature now, and what will be the room temperature after 8 hours you have to find out. Question number 5. Find the value of this. You have to multiply this and find the value of, but always see the sign minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Always keep in mind the sign rule. Okay. Question number 6. Arrange in ascending order. You have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. You know how to compare the integers. Question number 7, write the following as an integers. Yes, this is the absolute value. You have to find out first its absolute value and then add it or subtract it. Means negative absolute, when this number will come out, this modulus, what will be the absolute value? 273. Positive. Positive will remain positive, but the negative will be positive when it will come out from this mod, and then add or subtract it. Okay. Similarly, this one also. Question number 8. What must be subtracted from this to get this? Means what we will subtract from this to get this. So let x be subtracted from this. So 121 minus x. So we will get this minus 222. So you have to get the value of x. Solve it. You can do it. So question number 1 to 8 is your homework. Just revise all the questions, do it and send the answer at my Gmail ID.